Okay, guys, welcome back. So we're going to take a look at our practice set for today. Would you read the directions with me? It says, are the shapes divided into equal parts? Write Y for yes or N for no. If the shape has equal parts, write how many equal parts on the line. The first one has been done for you. Okay, so let's take a look at the first one. They've already done it. So they have a square and they've divided it into equal parts. So they put a Y for yes, there are equal parts. And how many equal parts are there? 2. So remember, when you're talking about equal parts, I like to think about food. So if I have a cookie and I want to share that cookie with my friend, I want to break that cookie into 2 equal parts. I don't want to have a huge piece while my friend gets a tiny piece of the cookie. That wouldn't be fair. I want to make sure that I'm having equal parts. Just like when you get a pizza and that pizza has been cut, usually the slices of the pizza are in equal parts. All of the slices of the pizza are the same size. Okay, so let's take a look at the rest of our problems. The second one looks like we have a circle. Would you say that is in 2 equal parts? No. If that was a cookie, it would not be very fair to share a cookie like that. Okay, what about the next one? Is that in equal parts? No. So because these are not in equal parts, we don't need to write how many parts there are. Okay, letter D. I see a rectangle. Yes, I see equal parts there. Now, because we said yes, we need to count how many equal parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. Okay. Okay, what about this one? Yes, how many equal parts do you see? 2. You guys are doing a great job. Okay, here we have another circle, and this line looks right, but does that line look right? No, there's 3 parts, but they are not equal. What about this one? Yes, how many equal parts do we have? 4. You're doing awesome. This one? Yes. They divided it right down the middle into 2 equal parts. What about this shape? No. It's okay if you don't know what that shape is. Right now we're just looking at whether or not it has equal parts. That is not equal parts. This one is very large. This one is very small. Okay, here we have another shape. It kind of looks like this one, but it's been turned. It doesn't matter, it's still in equal parts. Yes, there are still 2 equal parts. Now this is a very odd shape. But right now we're just looking, is it equal parts? Yes, it's still equal parts, even though it's a weird shape. 2 equal parts. Ooh, let's see. Do all of these triangles look like they're the same size? Yes. Now we have to count how many equal parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. Down here we have letters. We can divide letters into equal parts. Let's see if they did it. So they put a line right down the middle. This part is equal to this part. So yes, they divided that uppercase M into 2 equal parts. What about this uppercase F? Is this part equal to this part? No. What about this D? Yes, they divided that into 2 equal parts. Great job. Let's look at this page. I want you to pause this video and do this part by yourself. Let's look at the directions first and then pause it and do it by yourself. It says write the number of equal parts in each shape. Draw one line to make this triangle into two equal triangles. So you're going to divide this triangle into two equal parts. Draw one line to make this square into two equal parts. Draw two lines to make this square into four equal parts. So pause the video and just try your best, and then when you come back, we'll take a look at the answers together. Okay, great job. Let's check our answers. So I have two equal parts here, four equal parts, two equal parts, two equal parts, two equal parts, and four equal parts. Now this part was a little bit trickier. It said draw one line to make this triangle into two equal triangles. So I put a line right down the middle. I have a triangle on this side and a triangle on this side, and they're equal. Down here it says draw one line to make this square into two equal parts. I put a line right down the middle. This side is equal to this side. Now, some of you may have drawn a line this way, horizontal. Is that still equal parts? Yes. Now for number 5, it said draw two lines to make this square into four equal parts. So you put a line through the top to bottom and a line left to right. Now it doesn't have to be perfect. Mine's not perfect. It's okay if yours isn't. Just try your best. I have one equal part here, one equal part here, one part here, and one part here. So I have four equal squares. I divided that shape. You guys have done a great job today practicing dividing shapes. Tomorrow we're going to keep working more with fractions, and we're going to keep dividing shapes and doing something a little bit different. So make sure you come back tomorrow to see what we're going to do next. Great job, guys.